Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unpair your Amazon Fire Stick remote from your Fire Stick. So on the home screen here, if we scroll on over to settings, and then we go on over to controllers and Bluetooth devices, and we go to Amazon Fire TV remotes. We can see both our remotes in here. I have two connected. And if you go to the one that you're using and you try to unpair it, it says you are unable to unpair this remote. Now I can go to my other remote, I can press the button with the 3 lines on it, and I can simply unpair it. But I can't do it with the one I'm currently using. Now since you can't unpair your remote, if you're having problems with it, what you could do is try completely resetting it. Now to do this, you'll want to go ahead and press the buttons with the 3 lines on it, the back button, and then the left button right here. If you press all 3 of these buttons down at the same time, you will completely reset your remote, and you have to hold it down for about 15 seconds. And you'll notice that your remote will disconnect from the Fire Stick because you won't be able to use it, and you will have to reconnect it. Otherwise, you can bring it to a new device. And to reconnect it, simply unplug your Amazon Fire Stick and then plug it back in. And then a screen will pop up eventually after like 1 or 2 minutes that says, "We cannot detect your remote." Simply hold down the home button, and this will put your Amazon Fire Stick into the pairing mode, and the light on top here will begin to blink green. And you should be good to go now with any kind of issues you're having with your remote. So if this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixTech.